This is for enhancing the productivity of three-phase MMG meters, and that too without compromising the safety. And in this project we have taken the target of installing the meter within 15 minutes. Right now the time is 2 hours. We'll reduce it from 2 hours to 15 minutes. So here we have shown that this is a meter store. Will automate it through SAP, and all the inventory management will be done through SAP. Then we have shown the meter testing lab where these are the meters which will be tested through the test panel which are being tested, and from here it will be transported through meter van, and an engineer is shown sitting here. He will take those meters through this particular road, and this is shown, the substation is shown from where the supply will come, and through these poles to the customer home. And there are some technology interventions where the documentation process is quite simplified, therefore the customer delight is obtained. Here the smiling customer is shown, and because the safety should not be compromised, there is a drone also shown here from which we are doing the network survey, and we are also transporting the meters through this drone. So this is also shown, and these are the safety gloves and helmet and danger plate. All these things are shown because safety should not be compromised. Moreover, the mobile app and Facebook is shown, through which we'll be in touch with the customers for any kind of outages, etc. That's it, sir.